Go. Down. Which one says down? That one, so jump on it. Fly. Which one says fly? Fly. Yeah. Okay, which one says little? Yeah. Which one says walk? Walk. Yep. Which one says the? The. Yeah, jump on it. Good job. Now stop. Yeah, jump on it. Now go all the way back to the beginning. Yep, go stand over there again. Okay, ready? Go. Jump. Yes. And play. Yeah, play. You silly. Are you playing with it? Okay, jump on it. Okay, you're at the end of that one, so go back to the beginning. Okay, ready? Go. Up. Jump. No. Which one says no? Get on the no. Both feet on the no. Oh, silly, that's yes. There you go. Run. We. Which one says we?
This one.
What is that one? What letter is that? I. So where's the we at?
This one?
Yeah, how do you spell we? What letters? W-E spells we. So jump on we. And stop. Good job. Go back to the beginning. You want to do it again? Okay. Ready? Go. Down. Yeah, down. Fly. Good job. Okay, big. Yep, jump on it. And then hop. And. Good job, you're at the end. Go back to the beginning if you want to do one more. Are you ready? Set. Go. Up. Jump. No. Where's the no at? There you go. Where's run? Run. And then I.